Hi there, this is Jill. Welcome back to part 3 of our record trigger flow, where we're going to create a case when an installation is sold. After we configure our loop element that will loop through our items, we need to determine the priority of high, medium, and low. And we're going to add a decision element here, and we'll have to configure the order. First, we're going to have a high priority, and the conditions are when the current item from the loop equals, the value here is actually the product code, which, as a reminder, we find here. So this is the product code for the installation high. The medium outcome, the medium order is, again, the current item from the loop equals the medium priority installation, and the low outcome order is the current item from the loop equals the low installation product code. Next, we after we configure our decision element, we need to create our cases. However, instead of using the create record element, we're going to, within a loop, we're going to use the assignment element, so we can create multiple records in bulk. Before we add the assignment element, however, we'll need to create two new resources variables. Our two variables on the case object. The first one is the single case with the data type of record, and the second one is new case collection, again with the data type of record on the case object. Next, we're going to to drag the assignment element in order to create our high priority case. And here, we're going to first take a look which fields appear on the when we create a new case record, and we need which fields are required. We need the status field, the priority, the case origin, the case owner, the account name. If we scroll down, we'll see a few more additional fields. Case reason, and here in our edit assignment element, we're going to simply add those fields. So here we're going to use the single case variable we just created, account ID that is equal to the opportunity account ID. And the priority, which in our case is high, the description, the case origin, the record type, which has to be configured, the case subject, which is just high priority installation. Next, we're going to add another assignment element in order to add our single case to the new case collection. And we're going to collect the new case collection to the loop, so it keeps evaluating other products.